Welcome back, cuties. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So, are you all obeying your parents' words? You have to help them. Whenever they are asking you for some help, you have to do them. Okay, help them. So, behave like a good children. You have to get good name from the others. Okay, children, do you all follow that? Very good. Let us go into the session. Today we are going to recap the story which I have told about the story in the previous class. So now we are going to give the quick recap of the story and we are going to do the activities in the Little Thinker book. Are you all ready? Okay, children. Now open your Little Thinker book and story reader Arun helps Amma. You are also going to read along with me. Can you do that? Yes. Arun's Amma is sick. She has fever and is resting in bed. Okay, see, I already told you the story. Arun's mother is not feeling well, so she is resting in the bed. Arun's father has gone to the office. So, where is Arun's father? He went to the office. Okay, and Arun's sister has gone to visit her friend Salma. Okay, so Arun's sister is also went to see her friend outside. Okay, so only Arun is there at home. Okay, with his mother. Next, Arun wants Amma to get better. So after seeing his mother, he is feeling his Amma wants to get better soon. He fetches her some hot water. He fetches her some pills from the medicine cabinet. It's just like a medicine box. Okay. So he is helping his mother to give the medicines, some hot water. Okay, to get well. Do you all do that? If your mother is not feeling well, did you all do that? Yes, very good children. So you have to take care of your parents. What more can I do? He wonders. So Arun is thinking, what more can I do to my mother? So like that he is thinking. Arun, see where he is standing? Yes, in the kitchen. Arun has an idea. Amma always says a clean home is a happy home. Okay. So what he is thinking? Amma always says a clean home is a happy home. So what he is going to do now? Yes, he is trying to clean the kitchen. Okay. Arun goes into the kitchen. He wipes the counter. Oops. So what has happened here? He split some water on the counter. It's okay. It will all happen for the first time. Okay, no problem. You try to clean the kitchen if you want. Okay. If your mother is not feeling well, you can also try to clean up the mess in the kitchen. No worries. Okay. So he is also splitting some water in the kitchen and he is cleaning up the place neatly. Okay. Next, see, he moves to the next room and he started cleaning the room there also. Good boy. He wipes the table. He tidies up his cupboard and bookshelf. So after cleaning the kitchen, he came to another room and started cleaning the table. He already completed arranging the bookshelf. See how neatly he arranged. Yes or no? So after cleaning that, cupboard, he came to clean the table. Okay. Next, what happened after? Arun is hungry after all the work. So he done so much of work. Now he become very hungry. So he goes into the kitchen to make himself a jam sandwich. Okay. Maybe he should make one for Amma too. So he is not only preparing a dish, not only for him, he is preparing one more for his mother. So very nice. So he is trying to make one more for mother because she also felt hungry, no. So that he is preparing a jam sandwich one more for his mother. Next page. What is happening? Yes, Amma walks into the kitchen. She hugs Harun for being a wonderful boy. So, Amma came to the kitchen and she is watching what are all the works he done, and she hugs Arun for being a wonderful boy. Arun is delighted to see Amma feeling much better and she laughs. Okay, Arun is delighted to see Amma feeling much better and she laughs. Okay, she is very happy for his work and he is trying to help his mother. No, so she feels very happy for that and she laughs for the sandwich he makes. Okay, children, do you all like this story? Very good. So now we are moving to Little Thinker activity, page number 41 in your Little Thinker book, English. Answer the following. So, from this story, we are going to see some questions and answers. Okay, see the first one. Why was Arun's mother in bed? Why? Yes, Arun's mother is not feeling well. She is sick. So she is resting in bed. Okay, you can write your answer in online by your own. Okay, but now I'll show you the sample answer. You can write your own answers too. Okay, second one. How do you think Arun felt seeing his mother in bed? Yes, Arun felt sad after seeing his mother. So he wants his mother to get better soon. Okay, this is the answer for the second one. Next, list the ways in which Arun helped his mother. So, what help does Arun do to his mother? Yes, he fetches some hot water. He fetches some pills from the cabinet, medicine cabinet, and he tries to clean up the mess in the kitchen and some other room. He is cleaning up the cupboard, bookshelf, and cleaning the table. So anything you can write in two lines. What helps he does to his mother? Okay, any two help is also enough. Your own answer you can give here. Okay. Next, how do you think you can help your mother? So, what help you do to your mother? Okay, whatever help you do to your mother, you can write the answer here. I don't give the answer here for fourth one in the sample answer. So, you have to write your own answer. What help you do to your mother at home? Okay, children? And now, fifth one. How do you think Arun's mother felt when she saw Arun helping her? How do you think Arun's mother felt when she saw Arun helping her? So, Arun's mother felt happy after seeing Arun is doing all the works. She become very happy and she get excited to see Arun. Okay, you can give your own answers. Now I am going to give you the sample answer for the same. See here. Say, I will repeat the answers. Why was Arun's mother in bed? Arun's mother was not feeling well. So, she is resting in bed. Okay. Next, how do you think Arun felt seeing his mother in bed? By seeing his mother, Arun wants his mother to get well soon. Okay. Next, third one. List the ways in which Arun helped his mother. Arun fetches some hot water, pills, and he cleaned the kitchen for his mother. Okay, this is my sample answer. You can give your own answers too. How do you think you can help your mother? So I already told you, you have to give your own answers. So I don't give my answer here. What help you do to your mother, you can give the answers here. So, okay, Kana? Next. How do you think Arun's mother felt when she saw Arun helping her? She felt very happy about her son for his helping tendency. So after seeing Arun's work, she felt very happy, excited, and she hugs Arun for the same. Okay. So now turn the page number 42. Fill in the blanks. Okay. So here in this activity, they have given a picture. What is that picture? Yes, it is a tree. So from that picture, they have given some questions. You have to give the answer for the same. See, if I were a tree, I would be a dash. So, what tree you like to be if you were a tree? Okay, this is the question. So you can write your own answer. Okay, what tree you should be if you were a tree? If you were a tree, what tree you will be? You can write your answer. If you like to be a banana tree, you can write that. If you like to be a apple tree, you can write that in that first line. Okay, next, because they are asking why you want to become that particular tree. If you are writing banana tree, why you like that banana tree? Write your reason. Okay, write your reason in the second line, because line. Okay, and then the third one, next one, and I would help people by. For example, you have written apple tree. Why? What help you do to the people by being that apple tree? What help you can do? You can write the answers of your own. I will give you the sample answer also. Okay, I would help animals by dash. So here also, how what help you can do to the animals by being the apple tree. For example, I am saying for apple tree, what help you do to animals by being a apple tree. Okay, next, last one, I would help birds by dash. What help we can do if we are a apple tree or banana tree or mango tree or banyan tree? So whatever tree you are writing there, you can tell that. Tell your answers, reasons. Okay, shall I show my answers, sample answers? Yes. See, if I were a tree, I would be a mango tree. Okay, this is my answer because I like mango fruit. So, I like to be a mango tree if I were a tree. Next, and I would help people. Once again, I'll tell you, and I would help people by. So, being a mango tree, how can I help people? By giving shadow and fruits. If people are getting tired to take some rest in the places where they are, I will give a shadow to the people and I will give some fruits to them. So if they are very hungry, I will give some fruits, mango fruits to the people. Okay. If I would help animals, how I can help animals? I help people by giving shadow on fruits. But how I help animals? Yes, by giving the same fruits and leaves as food. So some animals eat leaves and some animals eat fruits. So I will give both fruits and leaves as food to the animals. Okay, do you understand this? Next, I would help birds by, how can I help the birds as a tree? Yes, I can give shelter to the birds to live. Okay, I can give shelter to the birds to live. This is the sample answer. You can write your own answers here. Okay, children, do you all like this activity? Okay. In the next class, we will see about the next activity, a trip to the zoo. So, we are going to see a noun, a adjective, a verb in the next class. Okay, thank you, children.